Davao City, officially the city of Davao, is a first-class highly urbanized city in the island of Mindanao, Philippines. The city has a total land area of 2,443.61 square kilometers, making it the largest city in the Philippines in terms of land area. It is the third most populous city in the Philippines after Quezon City and Manila, and the most populous in Mindanao. As of 2020, the city has a total population of 1,825,450. It is geographically situated in the province of Davao del Sur and grouped under the province by the Philippine Statistics Authority, but the city is governed and administered independently from it. The city is divided into 3 congressional districts, which are subdivided into 11 administrative districts with a total of 182 barangays. Davao City is the center of Metro Davao, the third most populous metropolitan area in the Philippines. The city serves as the main trade, commerce, and industry hub of Mindanao, and the regional center of Davao region. Davao is home to Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the Philippines. The city is also nicknamed the durian capital of the Philippines. The region's name is derived from its Bagobo origins. The Bagobos were indigenous to the Philippines. The word Davao came from the phonetic blending of 3 Bagobo subgroups names for the Davao River, a major waterway emptying into the Davao Gulf near the city. The Aboriginal Obos, who inhabit the hinterlands of the region, called the river Dava, although the Spaniards began to explore the Davao Gulf area as early as the 16th century. Spanish influence was negligible in the Davao region until 1844, when the Spanish Governor-General of the Philippines Narciso Claveria ordered the colonization of the Davao Gulf region, including what is now Davao City, for the Spanish crown. Despite protests by the Sultan of Maguindano, official colonization of the area, however, began in 1848 when an expedition of 70 men and women led by José Cruz de Uyangure of Vergara, Spain, landed on the estuary of the Davao River the same year, intent on colonizing the vicinity. Nearby, a settlement was situated on the banks of the river, ruled by a Muslim Bagobo chieftain named Datu Bago, being the strongest chieftain in the region. Datu Bago imposed heavy tribute on the Mande tribes nearby, therefore also making him the most loathed chieftain in the region. Cruz de Uyangure has orders from the higher authorities in Manila to colonize the Davao Gulf region, which included the Bagobo settlement on the northern riverbank. At this juncture, a Mande chieftain named Datu Daupam, who then ruled Samal Island, came to him, seeking for an alliance against Datu Bago. The two chieftains were arch-rivals, and Cruz de Uyangure took advantage of it, initiating an alliance between Spain and the Mandayas of Samal Island. Intent on taking the settlement for Spain, he and his men accordingly assaulted it, but the Bagobo natives fiercely resisted the attacks, which resulted in his Samal Mande allies to retreat and not fight again. Thus, a 3-month-long inconclusive battle for the possession of the settlement ensued, which was only decided when an infantry company which sailed its way by warships from Zamboanga came in as reinforcements, thus ensuring the takeover of the settlement and its surroundings by the Spaniards while they defeated Bagobos fled further inland. After Cruz de Oyanguran defeated Bago, he founded the town of Nueva Vergara, the future Davao, on the 29th of June 1848 in an area of mangrove swamps which is now Bolton Riverside, in honor of his home in Spain and becoming its first governor. Almost 2 years later, on the 29th of February 1850, the province of Nueva Guipuzcoa was established via a royal decree, with the newly founded town as the capital, once again to honor his homeland in Spain, when he was the governor of the province. However, his plans of fostering a positive economic sway on the region backfired, which resulted in his eventual replacement under orders of the colonial government. The province of Nueva Guipuzcoa was dissolved on the 30th of July 1860, as it became the politico-military commandery of Davao. By the clamor of its natives, a petition was given to the Spanish government to eventually rename Nueva Vergara into Davao, since they have called the town as the latter long from the time of its founding. It was eventually done in year 1867, and the town Nueva Vergara was officially given its present name Davao. The Spanish control of the town was unstable at best, as its Lumad and Moro natives routinely resisted the attempts of the Spanish authorities to forcibly resettle them and convert them into Christians. Despite all these, however, such were all done in the goal of making the governance of the area easier. Dividing the Christians, both settlers and native converts, and the Muslim Moros into several religion-based communities within the town. As the Philippine Revolution, having been fought for 2 years, neared its end in 1898, the expec